Hey, I'm Khalid, Executive Director at Catalyst for Systems Change. Right now, we're in Coon Rapids at Paladin High School at their new outdoor classroom.
We actually have three separate areas kind of connected to a whole. We have a campfire place where we can, talk out loud. We have a classroom part of it, basically doing research, and then a pond. Those three things, we are all kind of in groups.
Everything's overstimulating sometimes for students, and like like how after lunch students in class will just can't stop talking because their energy's still there. When you go outside after lunch, you're getting your energy out, and it's better to be outside in nature because nowadays teenagers don't really do that. Everyone needs to get outside more, and this is a good way to do it.
This is what we call experiential learning, the ability to take curriculum that typically is in a classroom setting, but actually creating the ability for young people to partner up with community members, community organizations, such as Tree Trust and us at CSC, to create an outdoor classroom that takes their curriculum that typically is just isolated into a single space, into an environment where they could learn, be in nature, and create something that's going to last for years and years to come and make an impact for the community.
It's so cool to see the property being reused and repurposed, but also continue on. I actually was born 4 miles from this land and brought home on a very cold December night and grew up here until I was about 16 years old. We would come out on the property back here and we would build forts, we would race our dirt bikes, we would chase animals, collect bugs, all the good stuff. I think that the outdoor classroom is actually bringing a sense of pride to our students, a sense of belonging, a sense of accomplishment. For them to walk out here and bring other students and tour and be a piece of it is invaluable, and it's something they'll remember in many years to come.
You don't go to school and think that they will have a job for you to do and get paid for it. I just thought that was so cool. And then it helps our mental health, getting us outside and putting us to work and having fun while doing it. Yeah, I like that part.
I'm a big research guy. I really like researching stuff. So figuring out what trees to use for blocking sound from the highway and just making sure it looks beautiful while being comfortable and practical.
I feel like feeling the sun personally gets me to do work a lot better. Being outdoors, feeling fresh air, and knowing that they have a place to come to like this where they can be outside, get some work done, and it's nice weather. There's really nothing better than that. We built this energy, love came from Paladin that was put into this. And it's another part of being home, just extended.